Hello everyone and welcome back to Online Arabic Course. Today we are going to learn about how to say and how to use able to in Arabic language. So let's get started. Before starting the lesson, let me explain first what does able to means in sentences. The answer is able to means to have the quality or the ability to do something. For example, I'm able to drive a car. It means I have the ability to drive a car. Or in a simple sentence, I can drive a car. Let's translate this sentence in Arabic with different ways now. I am able to drive a car. I am able to drive a car. I am means أنا, able to means قادر على. I am able to, أنا قادر على. To drive a car. To drive means قيادة. قاد يقود قيادة means to drive. So to drive قيادة. A car سيارة. To drive a car. قيادة السيارة. I'm able to drive a car. أنا قادر على قيادة السيارة. Now we'll translate this sentence with another ways also. The second way is أنا أقدر على قيادة السيارة. I am able to أقدر على to drive a car قيادة السيارة. أنا أقدر على قيادة السيارة. And the third one is أنا أتمكن من قيادة السيارة. أنا أتمكن من I am able to أتمكن من to drive a car قيادة السيارة. أنا أتمكن من قيادة السيارة. The fourth one is أنا أستطيع قيادة السيارة. أنا أستطيع أنا able to أستطيع to drive a car قيادة السيارة. أنا أستطيع قيادة السيارة. And the fifth one is يمكنني قيادة السيارة. يمكنني means I'm able to drive a car قيادة السيارة. يمكنني قيادة السيارة. These are the 5 ways which we used in the translation of this sentence that is made of am able to. And now the turn is to translate is able to and are able to in Arabic sentence. So the next example is she is able to speak Arabic. She is here able to قادرة على to speak Arabic التكلم باللغة العربية. هي قادرة على التكلم باللغة العربية. Or هي تقدر على التكلم باللغة العربية. هي تقدر على she is here able to تقدر على to speak Arabic التكلم باللغة العربية. هي تقدر على التكلم باللغة العربية. Notice in the sentences ba is placed before اللغة العربية because in Arabic language ba is a preposition and it is used with التكلم. And the next example is she able to come here? Is she able to come here? هل هي قادرة على المجيء هنا? Is she هل هي able to قادرة على to come here المجيء هنا. هل هي قادرة على المجيء هنا. Or هل تتمكن من المجيء هنا. Is she able to هل تتمكن to come here من المجيء هنا. Let me tell you one thing here that I used hal in these sentences. Do you know what is hal? Hal is actually an interrogative pronoun and it is placed sometimes before a pronoun or sometimes before a verb to ask a question. Look at the examples on your screen. You will find here the both uses of hal. In first sentence, hal is placed before pronoun hal hiya قادرة على. And in the second sentence, hal is placed before verb هل تتمكن من. هل تتمكن من. And now we will use are able to in form of questions. For example, are you able to read Arabic? Are you able to read Arabic? Are you هل أنت able to قادر على to read Arabic قراءة اللغة العربية. Are you able to هل أنت قادر على to read Arabic قراءة اللغة العربية. هل أنت قادر على قراءة اللغة العربية؟ Or هل تستطيع قراءة اللغة العربية؟ Are you able to هل تستطيع to read Arabic قراءة اللغة العربية? That's all the lesson today. Now I'll give you some sentences to translate and to leave in the comment box. Sentence number 1 هو يتمكن من المجيء هنا. Number 2 هل يتمكن من المجيء هنا؟ And finally, if you really want to learn Arabic language, must follow us on different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and Twitter. You will find there also some new things related Arabic language. Links in description. And like the video and share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and tap the bell icon. I'll be back with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye.